What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to Knife Life BDC. Got something new in the mail today that I've been waiting for a while. Ever since I knew it was going to be on like a pre-order a while back on the Kunwu website. It was on the Blade HQ website, but I think it still says coming soon. And all I had to do was just go to the Kunwu website and order it there, and then it finally came. It finally said, for a while there, it's saying pre-order. But then once the day it finally stopped saying that, I ordered it. And that was about a week and a half, 2 weeks ago, something like that. I can't quite remember. But I'm pretty excited for it because I really like Kunwu and I'm a big fan of the S-Tau. Great knife, love that knife. That's my main carry right now. But I was pretty excited about this one too. There we go. Oh, duh. Label up top. Comes with the signature little bag. Cool little thing. So I actually carry. I don't carry mine in my pocket all the time. I carry it in my my EDC like bag, duffel bag, whatever, where I keep my books and my other stuff in there. So I actually use this pouch quite a bit and put it in there. So you got your fiber cloth, you got your bag, you got your information of the authenticity. You got your cool little tools right there, which I like. Got a little spacer for the pocket clip, and then you got your springs. Got your troll candy, and got your knife. And this is why I was waiting for this one, because of I really like the orange peel texture of the titanium. It looked really good to me because I really love it on my S-Tau. I really love it on that. Oh, pocket. I like the pocket clip too. I forgot about that. Oh, so that's what that is. That thing is that little guy right there by my thumb. Is, I guess, if you don't want a pocket clip, I guess. But let's give it a try. Flips open real easy. Man, I think I jacked my thumb up with my middle finger up the other day, and now I can't open knives with it right now. Like I was having problems with this one. I think it's just my thumb. See, I guess it's getting better. I think I clipped the fingernail too low. Sometimes I do that accidentally. And then I can't flip a knife open with it, so. Or maybe I'm hitting this. I don't know. Oh, man. Yeah, I'm thinking it's just my middle finger. It's my fingernail. Because it opens smooth, like it's, yeah, but I don't know what their locking mechanism is called. Able lock, clutch lock, axis lock, all the above lock. I don't know what Kunwu calls theirs. I'm not sure, but it's smooth though. I like it. I like the way it feels. Centering is just pretty much right on, I think. Pretty cool little backspacer though. I like that. I like the texturing on it and everything. Got a little bit of jimping right there for you. Feels pretty good. Not too bad. I don't think this. Yeah, this same stuff kind of, as you can see. Pretty, I guess, routine stuff from them. I just like the way that looks. Blade's a little oiled up. I like L-Max. L-Max steel, I love L-Max. I had a giant mouse with L-Max, and that was my first experience with it. And ever since I had that, I love that knife. It's so sharp, that giant mouse is. And that's when I kind of just started loving L-Max. This looks pretty clean, pretty sharp. Love the thumb hole on it. If I can get it to work. There. I just gotta. Yeah, there we go. I just gotta get my finger in there really good. This one, I'll compare those later. So it is a lefty or righty. You can change your pot clip out, which is obviously pretty nice. Yeah, that backspacer is just pretty cool. There you go. There's your pivot screw right there. I don't know what these are. I want to check. Well, it's obviously right there, but I don't know. It's got two different sizes, so I'm guessing T8, T6. It's pretty routine. Pretty routine. Oh, there you go. Now you guys can see. Okay, so everything is T8 except for the lock, then the clip, the lock and the clip. Lock clip. I thought pivot, but I already had the pivot. So, so you have T8 and T6 screws, which is nice when they give you this thing right here. I have 2 of them now, which I actually have used because I have a couple old ones just to begin with, just from other stuff. But I got one for my S-Towel, and I use it too. So I like these when they come with tools and everything, and different springs and everything. I'll have to take this apart and try it out and see how it kind of looks and everything. But that's smooth. I think this is one of my favorite locking mechanisms. The crossbar lock, I guess that's the general term. But yeah, okay, there, I'm getting better now. Maybe I just need to figure out the hole, how to get my finger in there to get it to flip right. I do like the lanyard hole though, how it's in the back. It's pretty nice. It's not bad. And I don't feel like it's in my way or anything like that. It does have a choil, obviously, as you can tell, so you can choke up on it too and really dig into stuff if you need to. So obviously it's going to be big enough for anybody's hand. And even if not, if you don't put your finger in the choil, it's still good enough for you. I think you'll enjoy it. Yeah, it does feel good. It just feels great in your hand. I love that. I don't know why I love Kunwu, and I love their knives so far. It is a deep carry with the tip up, obviously. It's kind of a different pocket clip though. I've never had one angled like that. I think Kershaw kind of did that with their live wire OTF, kind of. I think theirs is a little more diagonal, I guess, and a little. I don't know. I've never seen one in person. It looks like it's almost shorter too. The Kershaw one is. Well, this is kind of cool. Feels like it's pretty good. I do like the angle of it and everything, how it kind of slopes up a little bit, so it looks like it'll be pretty good for me. I don't know if you guys can see, it is skeletonized. Let me get my flashlight and show you all. As you can see in there, it is skeletonized in there. So that does help it, make it a little lighter. And I do like titanium as of lately. As you can tell, I've been buying titanium knives just because they are a little more expensive sometimes, but I don't know why, I just kind of got into them. And especially with these, I love that orange. Let me see if I can get you in there to see it. See the orange texture right there? It just looks like an orange kind of in a way. I just really like that, and that's why I waited for this one specifically. They had like the G10 Pulsar and stuff like that I've seen around and everything like that, and yeah, they're cool, I guess, but I wanted this one. I think this one looks 10 times better, especially with the all titanium. But oh, that's my first impressions. I can't wait to start carrying this around too. Can't wait to start using it a little bit and see how that LMAX works. If I had a cool lanyard, I would almost put a lanyard on this one. I don't think the S-Towel had one. Yep, there's nothing on the else. They don't even have a post. So, all you lanyard lovers, there you go. I always feel like whenever I say lanyard, I feel like I say, what is it? I can't remember, but oh well. But if you like the video, just give it a thumbs up. If you have a comment about it or anything like that, just leave a comment or subscribe. Thank you.